I wish my controllers weren't such a huge freaking mess all over my room, everywhere else. It's awful. If only there was a convenient way to stack them in the space of one controller, maybe 9 even, and maybe on the wall, so that way you can put them wherever. I don't know. You want to make some kind of organization system for your controllers. Best way to do that is guitar hooks. Guitar hooks are for guitars, but they can also be used for controllers of all shapes and sizes. From the Octopus Hand N64 controller to a Sega Genesis controller, like the Blob, just throw that on there, boom. It's really easy. So, guitar hooks cost $12 for a pack of 8 on Amazon. I'll link that in the description below. And then this piece of wood from Lowe's was $3. I cut it into a 3-foot length, and that fits 9 of them perfectly. It's super expandable because as long as you have wall space, you can stack more controllers. And I probably could use at least 1 or 2 more columns of these racks. And it only takes up the space of a controller. This is slowly freeing up my entertainment system from the ties of old consoles with old controllers that only work with those consoles, and they're just a waste of space most of the time. But here we go. Guitar hooks. Who knew?